everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that my girls and I have come up with for their meal plan. This is a super easy, light and luscious stovetop marinara that's made with few ingredients, has no added sugar, and it's just full of flavor. You're going to be amazed at how easy this is, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's go see how this all comes together. Alright, we're getting ready to make this delicious, light and easy marinara style sauce. This is really simple. I have a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a very large onion that equaled about 2 cups that I diced, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, about 6 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil. We're also going to use salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and dried basil. So I'm going to bring the induction burner and the pan over, and we're going to get started making this really delicious sauce. Okay, we're going to get started making our delicious marinara. This is a very light sauce. It's super easy to make. What I've put in here is a little bit of olive oil. This is about a tablespoon. I'm just going to get that nice and hot. And then I'm going to put my onions and my garlic, and we are going to mix these up really well, and then we're just going to let these sweat. I'd like a little bit of brown on the onion, okay? So this is going to bring out the sweetness of this already sweet Vidalia onion, and that's going to take about 5 minutes. So I will be back when it's time to proceed. Okay, our onions and our garlic continue to sweat. You can see we've got a little bit of brown on them. So we're gonna add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This is entirely up to you. You have to add the seasonings that you prefer. If you like to add individual seasonings, that's great. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon of dried basil, some salt, and some finely ground black pepper. About a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and tomatoes love salt, so we're going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt there. You can use whatever salt you like. And I wanted to add these spices in with the caramelizing onions and garlic so that the oils of those things come out a little more quickly. Now we're going to put our tomato paste in here. And you're going to want to get this in the pan. You're going to want to let this cook. You want your tomato paste to cook. Okay? Get it mixed in with those onions and garlic, because you almost want to brown the tomato paste as well, but you don't want to go so far with it that it actually looks brown. You do want to cook the raw flavor out of it though.
Without burning it.
Yeah, you don't want to burn it. Now I do have my pan set. This induction burner right now is set at 400 because I wanted to get the pan nice and hot, which if you're cooking this on a traditional stovetop, I would say medium-high, but don't go high because then you're just going to have a tendency to burn things. So, and then all you have to do is add your crushed and your diced tomatoes. Give this a good stir. That tomato paste is going to make everything really beautiful and thick. Stir this really well. Get all of those flavors blended together. You're going to bring this to a simmer. Once it starts to bubble, you're going to want to back it down to medium heat, and you're going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. Then you can use this to put over zucchini noodles for pasta. You can use this over regular pasta. You can use this to make eggs Diablo or eggs in purgatory, where you crack some eggs into it and bake it in the oven until they're done. You can use this for anything that you would make with pasta sauce or tomato sauce of your choice. You can use this on a cauliflower pizza. You can use this for a lot of different things. This is going to be simmering some chicken meatballs in just a moment, and I'll show you what that looks like when this is done. And when we come back, I'll show you the finished product.
It does smell like you make a good pizza sauce.
Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Well, there you have it. There's our slow simmered stovetop marinara. This light and luscious recipe was so easy to put together using ingredients from your pantry and an onion and some garlic, and you're good to go. We simmered these beautiful chicken meatballs in it. We're going to be sharing this in an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. These meatballs are really wonderful, and they're super easy to make just with some ground chicken. They're gluten-free. They contain almond meal, and they're just they're actually addictive. They're that good. You would never know that you were eating diet food. Honestly, you wouldn't.
Even I like them.
Even Rick likes them. So, but you got to start with a great sauce, and this sauce is just that. It's rich, it's luscious, it's simmered on the stove for just a little while, cooking those onions to caramelize them just a little bit, and then cooking that tomato paste to also caramelize that gives this super rich, intense tomato flavor. And you're not sacrificing flavor in order to have a low-cal dish. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to welcome new friends into the kitchen. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that when we upload new content, you get a push notification on your smartphone or an email letting you know that there's something new for you to watch from us. Because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this slow simmered, light and luscious marinara sauce a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.